What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. It's pretty simple to do. All you gotta do, I'm actually working on the driver's side right here. You can see the batteries right here. All you gotta do is go right in front of it and you'll see like a little blue power cover right down here. You just want to reach down there and spin it toward your driver's side door, and once you do that, your headlight will come out like that. And once you have it out, now what you want to do is just, you'll see this little tab right here. It's press that and your bulb will come out. You kind of want to make sure that you don't touch on the bulb itself, because that'll make the life of the bulb be shorter if you put grease on it. And once you get your new bulb, you just kind of want to plug it in like that, and then go back down into the hole you'll see and stick it back in. Then you're going to want to spin it up. Alright folks, once again, it's how you would change out your headlights on a 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. Please check out our other helpful videos and please subscribe. Thanks.